The ElevenLabs Conversational AI feature is a game changer, and it will change the way we handle customer service and other businesses online forever. I will show you how to set it up, but first, listen to this.
Hi, I'm Blogsdom. How can I help you today?
Hi, I would like to know more about the Blogsdom YouTube channel.
I can tell you about Blogsdom. We offer tutorials on blogging and YouTube growth, affiliate marketing tips, and strategies for building passive income online. Would you like me to tell you more about Blogsdom?
Yes, I'll be happy if you can do so.
Of course. Blogsdom is all about helping you turn your online dreams into reality. We offer a mix of tutorials, tips, and reviews to help you grow your online business. We focus on practical, beginner-friendly advice and real-world examples so you can start seeing results right away. We post new videos weekly so you can always find fresh, actionable tips. Would you like to know more about a specific topic like blogging, affiliate marketing, or YouTube?
Alright, I'll show you how to set it up. Go back. And by the way, if you don't have ElevenLabs account, I'll drop the link in the description box. Please don't forget to sign up. And when you log in, this will be your dashboard. And if you don't have an account, your dashboard will be empty. So under conversational, click on agent. So by clicking agree, you agree to the conversational AI term. So click on agree. You have the support agent, which will be used by many. You have the math tutor, which is good for education and e-learning, setting up of mathematics, online support, and critical thinking. Video game character, which is good for video games, right? And travel guide. So first, it has selected a support agent. So I'll go with that, but you can select whatever you want. I'll click on create this agent. Up here, you have your sub menus, the agent, the voice, analysis, security, advanced, and widget. So I'll walk you through. So first we'll start with the agent language, and I have English here by default, but it supports about 32 languages. So you just have to go through and select the language that you want to use. So I'll leave it as it is. So the first message the agent will say, if empty, the agent will wait for the user to start the conversation. So make sure this is not empty because you want to welcome the potential customer or your business partner or whoever, right? So I'll change this name to Blogsdom for a better understanding because this channel is called Blogsdom, and what I'm about to create is about this channel. All right, so scroll down. All right, so support prompt. So right here, I'm gonna change when it says you are a support agent name. I'll change this to Blogsdom as well, and answer in 3 to 7 sentences. Don't touch anything. The LLM, which is the large language model options. So you have the Gemini 1.5 Flash, which is good. It's really good for complicated issues and audio, videos, and images and stuff like that. But if your thing will be about text, GPT-4. Also, I believe they should have, Claude 3.5 Sonnet. I'll leave it the way it is, but if you set it up and it doesn't work the way you want, you can come back and change it to GPT-4 or other model. All right, but for now I'll leave it the way it is, but it should work. And the temperature, I'll leave it by default. And limit token usage, so as it says here, a limit will be applied if the value is greater than 0. So I'll keep it -1 just the way it is. And knowledge base, this is where we're gonna set up our information. All right, so I'll click to add item, and now you can add a file by uploading it here. You have URL of your information like your document or your website link or whatever, and also you can add text, but with the text you have to name it, enter a name for your test, then enter the test content. This is easy to understand, but I'll go with this option. Check the support file types. Okay, so they support PDF, TTT, doc, and HTML. So I'll download in PDF. So download. All right, so it's done. So I'm gonna close this. So I'll go back and I'll drag it and drop it right here. The maximum file size should be 21 megabyte, and I have 46 KB, which is nothing. If you want to add more information, like website link, test, that's okay. So this is all I want to provide. All right. So click add down here and save. Okay. So now you got to move on. So tools, provide the agent with tools it can use to help users. So let's check something out. All right. So you can go through and play with it. Like some of the features, you don't need them. So just don't worry much. Like this, I'm not going to bother much, but you can click on it and just go through it and see if you need to be specific with something. All right, like more queries and stuff. I'll go to security and I'll see. So for security, define secure secrets that can be used in tool. All right, so if you want to, so click add secrets or securely store a value that can be used by the tool. Once added, the value cannot be retrieved. All right, so you have to go through it and just know what you want. All right, so I'll leave it the way it is. So next is the voice. So I'll go to voice, and you need to select the voice that you want. So I'll click here, and I can use my voice. You can select any voice that you want. The famous guy, what is his name? Adam. Select Adam or whatever you want. But I don't think Adam's voice is good for customer service or something like this. Go through and select wherever you want. So in this case, I will select my clone voice. So I'll play a bit.
To live in the hearts we leave behind is to live forever.
All right, so I'll use this. You can select the voice from the voice library. All right, so next, we'll leave everything the way it is. So save. Then next menu, okay, analysis, data collection. Let's go in quick, or like the evaluation criteria, you can click on it and just name it and prompt things. Let's go here. All right, so let's drop it. I'll just leave it the way it is. And security, okay, the security, let's say if you enable this, then you have to select the agent language, first name and stuff like that. So let's say first name. Okay, I don't want to do anything. And also, but it's up to you, you can select it. Okay, I'll take it off. And here, this is important, allow list, like have to specify the host that will be allowed to connect to this agent. So let's say you want this link to be hosted on just your website, or you don't want anybody to have access to the link. You can just drop your website link here. So no allow list specified. Any host will be able to connect to this agent. All right, but you don't want that, right? So let's say I want to host whatever I'm about to do right here. Click on add host, then I'll drop it here. Click save. Oh, sorry, and save. All right, so it doesn't want the website secure link, which is the HTTPS. So it's good. We both learned something, and you can just keep going. All right, so which means right now the conversational model I'm creating, only this website can host it. Now we go to advanced, turn timeout. Okay, it's saving maximum number of seconds since the user last spoke. If exceeded, the agent will respond and force return. All right, and the mass conversation duration, the maximum number of seconds that a conversation. All right, and all this, the keywords. All right, so I'll leave things the way they are. The most important thing is the widget, which is the link. Okay, when everything is done, this is the link I have to copy. So when I click copy, I'll go to my website. Okay, and I need to go to the settings of the website and drop the link. Okay, I don't want to do that right now. Once you know how to create a website, you should know how to embed or add a widget to your website. You should know how to do that. Let's test it. So click on test. All right, so this is what your potential client or customer will click on. Call agent when it appear right here down here. So call agent.
Hi, I'm Blogsdom. How can I help you today?
Hi, I would like to know more about the Blogsdom YouTube channel.
I can tell you about Blogsdom. We offer tutorials on blogging and YouTube growth, affiliate marketing tips, and strategies for building passive income online. Would you like me to tell you more about Blogsdom?
Yes, I'll be happy if you can do so.
Of course. Blogsdom is all about helping you turn your online dreams into reality. We offer a mix of tutorials, tips, and reviews to help you grow your online business. We focus on practical, beginner-friendly advice and real-world examples so you can start seeing results right away. We post new videos weekly so you can always find fresh, actionable tips. Would you like to know more about a specific topic like blogging, affiliate marketing, or YouTube growth?
Yes, please.
Great. Which topic are you most interested in learning about? We have lots of information on blogging, affiliate marketing, and YouTube growth. Let me know what you like to explore, and I'll be happy to share some helpful tips and insights from Blogsdom.
I would like to know more about affiliate marketing.
You've come to the right place. Affiliate marketing is a big part of what Blogsdom is all about. Cover everything from choosing the right products to promote to building a strong audience and driving traffic to your affiliate links. We also share tips on how to create engaging content that converts and strategies for maximizing your earnings. What are you most curious about when it comes to affiliate marketing? I'd be happy to answer any questions you have.
I would like to know the best product to sell as an affiliate marketer.
That's a great question. There's no single best product for every affiliate marketer, as it depends on your niche, audience, and what you're passionate about. However, I can give you some general tips. Choose a product you're genuinely interested in. This makes it easier to create engaging content and speak authentically to your audience. Consider your audience. What are their needs and interests? What problems are they facing? Choose a product that solves those problems. Look for high demand products. Research popular products with a large market, but also consider niche products with less competition. Focus on products with high commission. This can significantly impact your earnings. Blogsdom has videos that explore these topics in more detail, and we also provide reviews of various products and tools that might be helpful for affiliate marketers. Would you like me to share some examples of popular affiliate products or point you to some relevant Blogsdom videos?
The first one.
Okay, here are a few examples of popular affiliate products that might be a good starting point for new affiliate marketers. Digital products. These are often easy to promote and can have high commission rates. Examples include online courses, ebooks, software, and templates. Physical products. These can be a bit more challenging to promote, but they can also be very profitable. Examples include clothing, electronics, home goods, and health and beauty products. Services. These can be a great option if you have a specific skill or expertise. Examples in web design, marketing services, and coaching. Remember, it's important to choose products that align with your niche and audience. Do you have any particular interests or areas of expertise that you could leverage for your affiliate marketing? I'm happy to help you brainstorm further.
I think I'm satisfied with the answers you gave, and I'll leave it here. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. I'm glad I could help. It's been a pleasure chatting with you. If you ever have more questions about online business, affiliate marketing, or content creation, feel free to check out Blogsdom. We're always here to support you on your journey.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Bye for now.
Bye. It was nice talking to you.
Me too. Bye. This is mind-blowing, man. And I'm a bit worried for customer service workers or support staff. Anyhow, this is how you set up your conversational information on your website using ElevenLabs AI model. If you like this tutorial, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.